Hello everybody. In this video it's going to be another unboxing video for one of my diamond paintings that I had just received in the mail. And yeah, let's get it started. First of all, let's see this ginormous box they just decided to send me the diamond painting in. Now this box, let me remind you, is huge. I don't know why they sent it in such a big box, but they did. So let's go ahead and get it started. Let's see. It's making a mess. All right. Wow. Good Lord. They really didn't want me getting in this box. So, this must be the product. Okay, my little poppers and such out of the way here. Okay, and then here this is. It's got something kind of gross on it. Not sure what. Something. Alright. Yeah. There's another thing out of the way. Alright. It's a pretty box. Fashion. I'm not sure what that says. DIY, originality, fashion, diamond painting. A lot of things written in Chinese, Japanese, something. Yeah. Very pretty box. I'm going to have to hold on to the box. Alright, let's go ahead and open this part of the box. I think it opens on this end. Let's see what we got going here. Alright. We got your basic kit for your drills, your canvas, and oh my goodness, look at all those colors. Oh my. And then all these colors. Hey, it comes with a chart. That is so good. That makes me happy. Oh, these are square drills. Yay. That makes me happy too. So yeah, we got the square drills, which I will have to organize. probably, holy moly, probably sometime today. So, there we go. That is a pretty color. So anyway, what we're making here, what this one will be, is the American flag. It's going to be that. That's not a very good picture of it. But that's what it's going to be. And this has it has 40 collars. It says 40 collars. Oh my God. That's okay though. I will enjoy it. Okay. Now let's see what the canvas looks like. Get these out of the way. And get that going. This is what it looks like. Alright. Well, the canvas feels really nice. I don't like that they put the rubber band on here though. Kind of, I don't know, kind of crinkled the canvas a little bit. Okay. Oh, it's got a styrofoam thing on the inside. Oh, I see what it's doing. Let's hope that I can get this sucker laid out. Make it stop crinkling up. Good Lord. Usually to do that, you gotta fill it. Oh, that looks like that's gonna be fun. Look at that. Do you see it? Here. Look at that. Wow. Oh, I didn't even make it stick to the table. I'm gonna peel it back some more. And lay that back down. Peel this back some. Back. Softly lay it back down. See how much easier that is? How it's laying better already? I think they lay these on a roll. Oh man, look at the crinkles. That's not good. Alright. Do the same over here. Peel it back. Play normal. Ouch. Wow, that's really, really sticky. Okay. Do the middle. And one more. All right. That lays a lot better now. Much better. Thank goodness. And with this, I can do it one section at a time. That will make things a lot easier. And I think that concludes our unboxing of the diamond painting. Now I will be making a video on organizing for this diamond painting. I will show you guys what I do to organize and get ready for it. So thank you very much for watching this one, and I will get to the organizing video as soon as possible. Thank you.